Welcome back to my channel, dear art enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving into the world of drawing, perfect for beginners and experienced artists alike. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all my latest content. Together, we will explore different drawing techniques, tips, and tricks that will have you creating stunning artwork in no time. From basic shapes to intricate details, this tutorial will take you step by step through the entire process, making it fun and rewarding experience. So, grab your sketchbook, pencils, and let's unleash your inner artist. Don't forget to share your progress in the comments below, and let me know if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Have fun drawing! Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great content. Hit the notification bell to keep up to date with the latest uploads. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave me a comment. I look forward to hearing from you. See you in the next video, and until then, stay great.